All right, welcome to This Explainer. Today we're taking standard, kind of dry syllabus topics and transforming them into actual real-world skills. We are jumping right into Unit 9 of your Basic Computer Skills course, which is all about Microsoft Word. But look, we aren't just covering the absolute basics today. No, we're moving way beyond the simple blank page.
So, let me ask you a question. Do you only know how to do basic typing and formatting in MS Word? Be honest. If your answer is yes, then this explainer is absolutely essential for you. We're going to challenge your current skills and basically set the stage for genuine, professional document creation. Because, this isn't just about hitting keys on a keyboard anymore. It's about truly mastering a tool.
Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today's session. 1. MS Word Advanced Features. 2. Handling pictures and graphics. 3. Page setup and formatting. 4. Automating with mail merge. And finally, 5. Important topics recap. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. MS Word Advanced Features.
So, the whole core idea of this entire unit is moving past basic text entry. We're upgrading your skill set so you can utilize professional-grade tools. Honestly, mastering these additional features is the absolute key to transforming a plain, boring screen of words into a high-quality, professional document. You want your work to actually command attention, right? And doing that requires moving beyond just raw typing to truly constructing a document with a clear purpose.
Moving on to Section 2. Handling pictures and graphics.
You might not realize this, but MS Word gives you a massive amount of control over your visuals. It is absolutely not just about hitting insert picture and calling it a day. You can add clip art and various objects, you can meticulously resize and crop images to fit perfectly, utilize built-in drawing tools, and even strategically link graphics directly to your document. Basically, these capabilities give you complete command over the visual narrative of your work. It's a real game changer.
Now, you might be wondering, why does this actually matter to you? Well, think about a college project report. If you just hand in a massive stack of paper with only text, it's boring, right? It's easily forgotten. But if you apply these graphics features, bringing in highly relevant images and well-placed visuals, your college project report immediately elevates. It completely shifts from being basic text to an informative, attractive, and highly memorable document.
But wait, there is a catch here. Having a genuinely great picture is entirely useless if you have terrible margins and poor alignment. It literally ruins the whole effect. Simply inserting a picture just isn't enough. If the formatting is a mess, the whole document looks entirely unprofessional. What we're aiming for is a professional page layout with clean columns and structured formatting. That is the standard.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 3, Page Setup and Formatting. Okay, these are the crucial structural tools you absolutely need to memorize. First, customizing your page size and margins ensures your content actually fits perfectly on the physical page. Applying section breaks, that allows you to have completely different formatting in different parts of your document. Creating columns is fantastic, especially for things like newsletters or academic papers. Then, setting vertical alignment keeps everything visually balanced, and utilizing headers and footers gives your document that final polished, organized flow. Basically, these are the exact tools that take you from amateur to pro.
Right, so once your document looks perfect on your screen, you need to follow this logical sequence to print it properly. Step 1, format document. Step 2, and I cannot stress this enough, this is critical, check print preview. Finally, step 3, print document. Checking that print preview first saves you an immense amount of time, prevents wasted paper, and trust me, it saves you from a ton of frustration when things inevitably don't align properly on the physical page.
Next up, Section 4, Automating with Mail Merge.
Okay, this right here is what I like to call the ultimate time-saving superpower in MS Word. Let's define this clearly so we're all on the same page. Mail merge is a feature that generates multiple documents from a single template by automatically linking it to a data source, like a list of names and addresses. So, you have your main format, you have your recipient data, and Word just seamlessly combines them for you.
Just look at this number, 500. Imagine a scenario where a college needs to send the exact same notice to 500 individual students. Just think about the sheer panic and absolute boredom of manually typing out 500 different names and addresses onto the exact same letter. I mean, no way. It would take hours, maybe even days, of incredibly tedious work.
Well, Mail Merge solves this massive problem in 3 super simple steps. First, you just create your main letter format, the notice itself. Second, you connect the student data source, which contains all 500 of those names and addresses. Third, you literally sit back as Word automatically generates 500 individual personalized letters. It takes hours of exhausting manual typing and shrinks it down to mere seconds.
And what's really fantastic is that Mail Merge isn't just restricted to letters. It effortlessly handles the creation of custom envelopes and automated labels too, providing you with a complete, professional package. You print the 500 letters, and you immediately print the 500 matching envelopes or mailing labels to go right along with them. It's the whole shebang.
All right, Section 5, Important Topics Recap.
So consider this your ultimate exam checklist. For your LPU syllabus exams, you need to make sure you know the definitions and practical uses for handling graphics, like pictures and clip art, setting page size and margins, using columns and section breaks, the logical steps for printing documents, and finally, mastering Mail Merge for letters, envelopes, and labels. Definitely lock these in.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. How many hours have you wasted on manual typing tasks that these exact formatting shortcuts could have solved in seconds? The real-world value of mastering these MS Word features is literally measured in the time and energy you get back. Make sure to share this explainer with your classmates and let us know in the comments exactly which unit you want us to cover next. Keep learning and keep growing.